Why I filed motion to visit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in DSS custody, Senator explains. IPOB has very big force not only in Nigeria, and I'm warning the federal government not to take them with kid's glove or just to overlook them, but to take them really seriously. I'm filing this motion to see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The Anambra state election is important not only to the Anambra people but to the southeast. We cannot destroy our democracy. Still, we cannot undermine our people and take Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for granted. IPOB is a very big force. Members everywhere all around the world, not only in Nigeria. Senator has warned federal government over Nnamdi Kanu's case. Don't jeopardize or play with it. The senator telling Nigerian government that you need to, please don't take these people with levity. Don't, just push it around and say, oh, who are they? You may be making a huge and a serious mistake. Whether you like it or not, IPOB is a big force. You may not accept it. Like, seriously, you may say, I'm not into this IPOB thing. But the truth of the matter is, when we all have an issue, yeah, and you refuse to contribute or include your quota, remember what goes around come around. And a day will come, yes, when it will get to your turn and you will need people to solicit for you, to come around you and to give a direction and to speak into the situation. And guess what? Nobody will rise up. Because if you look at what's brought about this whole Nnamdi Kanu's thing, this whole section group, forget about like, okay, it has been since 1967 and all that. What really resurrected it now? The bone of contention. What really gave rise to this issue there, here and now? Is it not because of Buhari's lopsidedness? 1999, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo took the reins of leadership, moved on to Maru Musa Yar'Adua from the north. Did anybody say they want to break out of Nigeria? What about Ebele Goodluck Jonathan? Not until we got this tyrant who is after the very people. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so we can get all the latest news. See exactly what is going on. IPOB is a very big force. Members in Nigeria. Senator wants federal government over Nnamdi Kanu. The senator representing Anambra South, Ifeinwa Uba, on Monday disclosed that the indigenous people of Biafra is a very big force because the majority of the group members are not even just in Nigeria. Noting that Nnamdi Kanu enjoys a huge followership members in the southeast and also wants the federal government, President Muhammadu Buhari, to take the IPOB seriously. Uba, who is seeking a court order to visit Kanu in the DSS custody, explained that he wants to engage the IPOB leader to get him to talk to his people about the prospects and the group, their stand on or before November the 6th governorship election in Anambra, where they have given an order to stay at home. News Nigeria reports that the separatist group has threatened to lock down the entire southeast, even Nnamdi Kanu is not released from detention by November the 4th. The proposed sit-at-home order protests will affect the Anambra state governorship election, which is billed to take place on November the 6th. While noting that boycotting the forthcoming election doesn't really help our people, Uba told Arise News, you must understand that Nnamdi Kanu has a lot of followership in the north, in the southeast. So the government should take him seriously. How can the government negotiate with Boko Haram, bandits, but not with somebody who is just saying we want to be out and understand his position? But we are engaging with politicians and others to see to it that we are able to talk to Nnamdi Kanu. We are engaging with IPOB to show them that they are important and the election is important to our people and let it hold. So, whether you like it or not, IPOB is in different parts of the world. That is because whether you like it or not, the Southeasterners, they migrate. What I mean by that is they move, and wherever they get to, they start a business. They don't just start a business, they give their support. They are intentional, they are working, hard working set of people. To be very honest, hard working set of people who are contributing their quota in whatever society they find themselves. They go ahead and they work. They work very well. They give their own quota, they support, and they do whatever they need to do. So this is what is happening right now. This is what is going on right now. The senator is advising President Muhammadu Buhari, but of course, this is between me and you. He won't listen anyway. He won't, since they are not bandits. They are not. They are not. What's it called now? They are not bandits. They are not Boko Haram. He won't listen to them. Those ones are representing his interest, so he listens to those ones. But the other people, they can climb into the abyss and jump into the well. He doesn't care. When a child is yours and he has misbehaved, you want to talk about it, you be like, please forgive him. He's a little boy, he's a little girl. And you will speak and you will explain and you will talk. But when it is your own child, this is your own child now. But when it is somebody else's child, see the tune. That's how they did no home training. That's the way their parents bring them up. That's the way they do. Blah, 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 blah. You will give. You give your own narrative, your own whatever, if it's not your own. But when it's your own, you can't talk. When it's your own, when it's yours, you are, please forgive and understand. Children of these days, your voice is different. You see, human being, let's not deceive ourselves. So many people, when it comes to their own, they expect people to understand. But when it comes to somebody else, no, he must die, she must die, blah, 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 blah. They can't understand with the person. They can't why would they understand with the person? Why would they understand with the person? But when it comes to theirs, they want everybody to understand. They want everybody to understand. Listen, guys, it is a wake-up call. It is really a serious one because we cannot continue to keep quiet and expect things to change. It's not going to change because you wish it so. It's going to change because you are intentional, you work on it, you talk about it, you do all the needful and the necessary things to ensure the change is instilled. But when you keep quiet and you do nothing about it and you pretend, it's not just going to jump on you. So, reality check. Everybody, every one of us have got a duty to rise up and do not allow ourselves to be oppressed. This administration is greatly characterized with a spirit of oppression, which is really bad. Leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless. Bye for now. Bye.